Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to discuss about third theme, wonderful nature. First of all, I congratulate all my dear viewers. Why? Because you are successfully completed theme food all tasks. Now, in this video, we discuss about nature. In this video, at last I ask few questions. Please answer that questions in comment section. Don't forget. Okay, my name is Abdul Sheikh. I am working as a SGT in MPPS Abbapur Tanda, Navipet Mandal district, Nizamabad. This is our third week online session. In this session, the theme is wonderful nature. What is nature? What is nature? The things which are not created by human being. The things which are not created by human being, that is called nature. The beautiful greenery in the world, the highest peaks of mountains and seasides and the deep thick forests, these are called our nature. In nature, so many animals are there, so many animals, some wild animals in our world, in our country, in our state, so many visiting places are there. Every day is a wonderful day. Every morning we saw the sunrise, that is a most beautiful thing, and the sunset in the evening, that is also one of the beautiful thing. He want to relax himself for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. When we are entered in the forest, the sounds of birds, are so very beautiful. We listen number of sounds from birds. The colors of birds also very beautiful thing in the nature. When the rainbow appear in the sky, the rainbow is also one of the beautiful thing by nature. So many things are there in the nature that make us feel us very happy and satisfied. What a beautiful things I have seen in the sky. We can enjoy our time, spend our time with nature. Nature gives us food. Delicious fruits are there that is provided by nature only. When we are walking in the forest, when we walking in the meadow, that is a very beautiful things. Our India, so many tourism places are there like Ooty, Kodaikanal. This is my view about wonderful nature. I want to ask some questions. Please comment your answer in the post. Is there any tourist place in your district? Is there any tourist place in your district? Please name it. Are you visit any wonderful place you have seen? Are you visit one of the wonderful place? What is your wish to visit such a place? Okay, now you can pose so many questions. This is the main theme of my video is to develop my language skills and as usual my viewers language skills also. That's why this is the one of the medium to improve my skills and your spoken skills. Enough for this video. Please don't forget to like the video, and share your comments, valuable comments, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. My name is Abdul Sheikh.